Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your real estate investments with Zillow, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by creating a Zillow account. If you don't, visit Zillow.com and click on join or sign up. Fill in the required information, including your email address and password. Once your account is created, log in to access the platform's features. Use the search bar to explore properties in your target investment area. Filter your search by property type, price range, and other relevant criteria. Analyze the market trends provided by Zillow to understand pricing dynamics. Take advantage of the Zestimate feature to get an estimated market value for properties. Explore neighborhood statistics to assess the local market's health and growth potential. Use the Zillow Rental Manager tool if you're considering rental properties. Input details of your property and manage tenants directly through the platform. Evaluate the investment potential by checking the rental income estimates. Research comparable properties in the area to support your investment decisions. Set up alerts for new listings that meet your criteria to stay ahead of the competition. Utilize the mortgage calculator feature to estimate your potential returns. Consider linking your Zillow account with a real estate agent for expert insights. Review property history to understand past sales and price changes. Analyze the walk score and nearby amenities to gauge appeal for future tenants. Leverage Zillow's resources by exploring articles and guides focused on real estate investing. Regularly check your Zillow dashboard for updates and new investment opportunities. Collaborate with other investors in forums or community discussions on Zillow. Use the insights gained from these resources to refine your investment strategy. Stay informed about changes in the local market that may affect your investments. Continuously reassess your investments using Zillow's analytics to enhance your portfolio. By following these steps, you can effectively upgrade your real estate investments with Zillow's powerful tools and resources. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.